The Apple Watch Series 7 is always in Retina display. The 45mm Apple Watch has nearly 20% more area than the Series 6, making everything easier to see and use than before. It has the most crack-resistant front crystal yet on the Apple Watch, IP6X dust resistance, and a swim-proof design. And that's only naming a few awesome features. You can take an ECG anytime, anywhere, get high and low heart rate and irregular heart rate rhythm notifications, measure your blood oxygen with a powerful sensor and app, track your daily activity on Apple Watch, and see your trends in the fitness app. Stay in the moment with the new mindfulness app and reach your sleep goals with the sleep app. Track new Tai Chi and Pilates workouts, in addition to favorites like running, yoga, swimming, and dance. Sync your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Pay instantly and securely from your wrist with Apple Pay. Get it now for $418 on www.jennystore.com.